name is Saira Nisrin. I am studying in Standard 1A in H2IS MUP school. I am coming from Pulikanakku. My house name is Kuttitakamil. My father name is Sahir. My mother name is Fauzia. My sister name is Fatima Nisrin. I am 6-year-old. In future, I would like to become daughter. Thank you very much.
Who does all the work at your home? Does your father help your mother with domestic chores? The woman has no time to rest amidst her various domestic chores. Here is a poem that describes a woman at work. Shafina 6A come with a choreograph. The woman work.
I have got the children to tend, the clothes to mend, the floor to mop, the food to chop, then the chicken to fry, the baby to dry. I got company to feed, the garden to weed. I have got shirt to press, the toys to dress. I got clean up this hut, then see about the sick, and the cotton to pick. Shine on me, sunshine, rain on me, rain. Fall softly, dewdrops, and cool my brow again.
Hi friends, from long ago, men had the tendency to imitate some sounds of animals, birds, etc. Here, Muhammad Aslam of Standard 2A trying to imitate some sounds.
Hi, I am Muhammad Aslam of Standard 2A. Here I am going to imitate sounds of some animal. Are you ready to watch? Okay, first cat. Meow, 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 meow. Next, crow. Cra, 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 cra. Next, goat. Ma, ma, ma. Next, dog. Boo, 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 boo. Next, coil. Next, owl. Hen. Coco, coco. Coco, coco. Coco, coco. Coco, coco. Next, duck. Quack, quack. 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 Crow, crow. Crow, crow. Crow, crow. Next, frog. Crow, crow. Crow, crow. Crow, crow. Crow, crow. Crow, crow. Do you enjoy my performance? Okay. Thank you.
Today, we can't go outside, we can't play, we can't go to school. We are at home. Why? Because coronavirus. It is spreading all around the world. Let's hear a corona song by Anakha R. Nair from Standard 4B.
Hi, go away corona, go away corona, never come back, never come back. Soap and sanitizer, will kill you, will kill you. Here is a mask in our face, social distancing in our mind. Go away corona, you will die, you will die. Go away corona, never come back, never come back. Thanks.
Next is a song by Yasin of Standard 5A about occupation in his town.
dear teachers and my dear friends, I am going to sing a song. The occupation of in my town, people in my town. I see a fire, fighter fighting fires. I see a car mechanic changing tires. I see a pilot flying through the air. I see a barber cutting people's hair. I see the people in my town and I say, hey brother, what's going on? I see a postman with the mail. I see a policeman putting flock to jail. I see a lifeguard at the swimming pool. I see the teachers at the local school. I see the people in my town and I say, hey brother, what's going on? Doctors, nurses, astronomers, judges, lawyers in the courts. I see an actor acting on a stage. I see a writer writing on a page. I see a chef working in a restaurant and a writer asking what to want. I see the people in my town and they say, hey brother, what's going on? Doctors, nurses, astronomers, judges, lawyers in the courts. I see the peoples in my town and I say, hey brother, what's going on? I say, hey brother, what's going on? Thank you.
We all are having some daily routines. Our little one Saliha Mol, standard 2B, described her daily routine.
Hi friends! Good morning children. My speech is English speech. Good morning. I am Saliha. I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my mouth. I have a shower. I pray. I read books. I have a breakfast. I come in the afternoon. I watch television. I play with my friends. I have a play. I sleep in. Thank you, teacher and students.
Our forefathers also were very much interested in, encouraged and engaged in the word in the cave or Andakshari. It is very useful to elaborate our vocabulary. Kids from standard 2 perform an Andakshari game. Lead by Kumari Yasina Shimi.
Hi friends, how are you? Have you had the game Andakshari? We play the game Andakshari here. I am start with my song. Hop a little jump, little jump, little jump like 1, 2, 3. Hop a little jump, little jump, little jump like 1, 2, 3. Next word 3. 3 little kittens say, last time mittens say, baby to cry, oh mother dear. 3 little kittens say, last time mittens say, baby to cry, oh mother dear. Next dear. Dear puppy, I have a puppy. Oh, my puppy was a dog. Dear puppy, I have a puppy. Oh, my puppy was a dog. The next word, dog. Dogs. 5 little dogs went on one day on the hill and far away. Mother dog barked, boom, 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 loudly. The next word is loudly. Lovely, cuddly, very cuddly. Snaily sleeping under the rose, snaily sleeping under. Lovely, cuddly, very cuddly. Snaily sleeping under the rose, snaily sleeping under the rose. Then the next word is rock. Rock and roll. Humby-Dumby sat in a wall. Humby-Dumby had a big fall. The wonderful colors are falling. Scrunch. Go the leaves on the bush. Fall. The wonderful colors are falling. Scrunch. Go the leaves on the bush.
bush. The next word is bush. Bush, ush, bush, ush, baby, my dolly. I pray you don't cry. I will give you some balloon. I will give you some balloon. Bush, ush, bush, ush, baby, my dolly. I pray you don't cry. I will give you some balloon. I will give you some balloon. Next word is balloon.
Balloon, balloon, wake up, wake up. It's time for a balloon race. Puff, puff, puff. Get set, go. Balloon, balloon, wake up, wake up. It's time for a balloon race. Puff, puff, puff. Get set, go. Next letter is G.
Letter G, letter G, look at me, I'm letter G, letter G, letter G, look at me, I'm letter G. I hope that all are you enjoy your Antakshari program. Thank you, have a nice day. Next is a proclamation. Do you know what is proclamation? It is public announcement. Do you sound at the Perumbara? Aditya from Standard 4A perform a proclamation. Please watch this.
Listen, listen, listen. Dear people, listen, listen, listen. His Highness King Vidyadhara decided to select his successor. He will conduct a selection test. All the children can participate in the test. You will get a seed and you should grow it. The child who grows the biggest plant will become the king's successor. The seed distribution is on Monday. All are welcome to the palace. Listen, listen, listen.
A speech by Sumaya Nazir, Standard 1.
Good morning. My name is Sumaya Nasib. I am studying grade 1A. Respected teachers and my friends, I am going to speak a few words about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on November 14. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He was the very fond of children. Children called him Chachaji. So, his birthday seems celebrated on Children's Day. Thank you very much.
Nowadays, that is the time of spread of COVID-19. We all are interested in making several dishes. Anamika S of Standard 2A prepares her favorite dish. Please watch and encourage her.
Hi, good morning. I am Anamika, Standard 2A. Do you like egg dishes? Today I am going to prepare an egg dish. Pulse. Take a pan, some oil, an egg, pepper powder, and salt. Now the pan is hot. Pour some oil.
Standard 6A.
Good morning, everybody. I am Husna. I am going to read a part of Cinderella's story, The Magic Begins. One day, the young prince of the land invited all the young girls of the kingdom to a ball, planning to choose his princess from amongst them. Cinderella's sisters were delighted on hearing this invitation. They selected the best gowns, they dressed their hair, but they were not talking Cinderella with them. You can go when beggars hold a ball, they told her. Comb our hair, brush our shoes, and make our buckles fast. We are going to the princess' ball. When she heard this, Cinderella could not help crying, for she too liked to go to the party. She begged her stepmother to take her along. What? You Cinderella? In all your dust and dirt. You want to go to the ball? You have no dress and no shoes. You want to dance? She turned her back to Cinderella and hurriedly set out with her two proud daughters. When Cinderella lost sight of them, she felt very sad. She started crying. Tears rolled down her cheeks. She thought of her own mother. If my mother had been alive, she would have sent me to the ball. Thank you.
There is a new friend waiting in our garden. Who is that? It is a beautiful little flower. Here is an action song performed by Ananya Piazza from Standard 4A.
Little pink rose, welcome to our garden. Little pink rose, welcome to our garden. Little pink rose, welcome to our garden. Smiling sun and laughing rain, welcome her together. Smiling sun and laughing rain, welcome her together. Little pink rose, welcome to our garden. Little pink rose, welcome to our garden. Soothing wind and hopping rabbit, welcome her together. Soothing wind and hopping rabbits, welcome our garden. Little pink rose, welcome to our garden. Little pink rose, welcome to our garden.
I think all you are like to hear songs. A song by Ryan Hanun from Standard 3.
Butterfly, butterfly, fly in the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, fly so high. Butterfly, butterfly, lands on my thigh. Butterfly, butterfly, motionlessly lies. Butterfly, butterfly, gracefully dies.
All the young ones of animals have their own names. Please hear. Nora Fatima tells us the names of young ones.
Nora Fatima. The young one of cow is calf. The young one of goat is kid. The young one of cat is kitten. The young one of horse is foal. The young one of dog is puppy. The young one of tiger is cub. The young one of elephant is calf. The young one of duck is duckling. The young one of sheep is lamb. The young one of pig is piglet. The young one of kangaroo is joey. The young one of owl is owlet. The young one of deer is fawn. The young one of frog is tadpole.
Do you like stories? Here, Akshay from Standard 7A comes with a story. Listen the story of Cunning Fox and Crow. Enjoy!
Good morning, friends. Today I am going to tell you a story of a clever fox and a crow. One morning, a fox was walking through the woods. He was looking for something tasty to eat. Soon, his nose was picked up a scent of something very sweet. He stood still and sniffed the air. Fox didn't have to wait long to find out what it was. A crow was sitting on a branch high up in a tree. All in its beak was the biggest piece of cheese he did ever see. He thought for a while, so an idea struck him. He decided to flatter the crow and therefore began to praise him. He told the crow, "You are such a pretty and clever bird. If only you could sing us beautifully." Now the crow was very proud. He wanted to show the fox that he could sing very well. So he opened his mouth to sing, and lo, the piece of cheese fell to the ground. The fox laughed at the crow and picked up the cheese and ate it hungrily. Too late, the crow realized that one should be not vain. Thank you, friends.